Ano ba yan?
Uh, uh, um, noodles.
Noodles na naman?
Noodles. You know that noodles? This is the egg.
Wow, ang dami naman yan.
This is tomato and onion.
Wow, ang sarap naman yan.
This is rice. And the other one is
GSM Blue na naman?
cheese and blue.
Wow.
It's for you. And this is for me. I sit in the front of you like this.
Wow, cute mo. Bagay. Ang ganda. Bagay pala sa'yo damit mo. Wow. Pogi na naman.